Welcome back to Ride JBI. This is JB. Today we finished a suspension revalve on this 2024 KTM 300 SX. The front forks received the WP XACT Pro 6500 dropping kit, and this was revalved to our JBI motocross spec. Details of this XACT kit and XACT motocross spec can be found at ridejbi.com. It has in-depth product information, pictures of all the products and parts, and also videos of our testing and rider feedback. The WP linkage shock was also revalved to a matching JBI Suspension motocross spec. Also, the JBI Bladder Kit was added to this build as an upgrade. That is the piece with the red cap and the gold cylinder you can see here. There's also details on that at ridejbi.com and also other videos on our YouTube channel that detailed our development process of this part. We also utilized a firmer spring on this build to match the rider's weight. The WP XACT 6500 drop-in has become a very popular choice the past year for all the KTM, Husqvarna, and Gas riders that are looking to swap out their stock air forks for a spring fork conversion option. Ride JBI has tested, tuned, and developed many other settings, whether you're doing the variety of off-road riding, motocross, supercross, arena cross, or freestyle motocross. If you'd like Ride JBI to do your suspension, please give us a call or send us an email. We can discuss the year, make, and model bike that you have, what options are available, and which setup would be most advantageous for you. All JBI suspension services and parts can be found at ridejbi.com.